If the woman right is all about giving the freedom to the woman to have a physical relationship with whomever she wants and allow her to wear anything or nothing in the public, so I don't think this is women rights. But if you say that the woman should be allowed to live her life her own way, having her own thought process, and having a right to marry according to her liking, then yes, this is women rights. But if you say that allowing the woman to have a physical relationship with anyone she wants and allowing her to have to wear anything she wants or nothing in the public, and so I don't think that's it's women right. Rather, it is a debt for the humanity where woman doesn't want to be attached to her child which she herself decided to bring into world, stealing the right of a woman being with her newborn baby for the time the baby needs her the most, and not letting her decide that what she wants to create out of this beautiful creation is the real assassination of women's rights, where she becomes the bread earner rather than being the nourisher and the developer of a human being, which she has brought into world with the utmost pain. The woman being a mother is the most powerful position any human can have. You have a whole human generation which you can shape. Now, for women who cannot have children, such women are equivalent in soul and brains to men. They can do almost everything other men can do. Rather than being a mother of a single child, now she can deal with the many children to compensate her caregiving passion with them. As she do not have a compulsion of making money and earning bread for the home, she can do everything she wants with the penalty of time she has. She could be a philosopher better than anyone if she wants. But unfortunately, all she does is grieving in the pain which is not in her own hand. Rather, it is just a test. Feeling of herself as an incomplete human being, which is not a fact, and surplus amount of pressure for not doing something which was not originally in her hand. Thank you so much for listening so far. I will be soon uploading the next video on this topic. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.